All right, so recommendation systems have been with us so far. I mean, we've been doing this as humans. We've been recommending products and recommending services and a lot of different kinds of things as in our daily lives. Okay, we've been doing a lot of things, right? For instance, in our daily lives, we know that if you have bread and you add butter to it, it's gonna taste nice. Okay, we know that. So most of the time, when you buy bread, you want to add butter to it, and then it tastes nice. So as time goes on, people, I mean, the shop owners got to realize that most people who buy bread also buy butter. So you sometimes you go to the, I mean, most of the time you go to the shop and then you see that where they have put bread, they have also put butter over there. Okay, to make it easier for the users to select and also for the people to also, I mean, have more sales. Okay, because if the person is just coming to buy bread, you get the profit on only bread. But if you put butter alongside with bread, then you have the likelihood of selling bread alongside butter. Okay, so I mean, these things have been with us so far, right? They've been with us so far. So why is it now becoming a big deal? It's all coming from data, right? It's all coming from data. These days, the kind of data that we generate is I mean, is beyond human comprehension. For every second, for every minute, for every hour, the kind of data that we generate, it's more than the previous 100 years that has passed. It's crazy, okay? And if you have a platform, if you have a big platform where you have a lot of products, it's going to be very difficult for you to be matching things like that, okay? To be matching things like that, and even personalizing the things, like particular customer liking a particular item and recommending something to a particular customer. That's gonna be very difficult. If your shop is very small, you can do these things manually. But if if you have a big shop, right, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to do all those things, right? And especially if you have a digital shop, right, like Amazon or something like that, then I mean, it will get out of your hand, right? It will get out of your hand. So that's when you need some kind of an automated system, right, to be automatically assigning things that complement each other, okay, something like that. Right? And you don't need to do those things manually, and that's when recommendation systems have become more practical or more vibrant in our societies. Okay, I think right now the most, I mean, used part of machine learning is recommendation system, right, in the industry, right? And if you're very good at designing recommendation engines, trust me, the sky is just the beginning for you, right? If you're very, very good at designing recommendation systems, building robust recommendation systems, the sky is just the beginning for you. All right.